Most people think credit repair is just dispute letters and templates. That's outdated. And honestly, it's why most people don't see results. I built Dispute AI to do credit repair the right way using AI. Traditional credit repair is manual, slow, and repetitive. You upload a report, someone skims it, sends recycled letters, and the bureaus flag them as frivolous. That's exactly what we wanted to fix. Dispute AI analyzes your credit reports line by line. It looks for factual errors, Metro 2 violations, date inconsistencies, balance mismatches, and reporting violations automatically. No guessing, no generic letters. Once your report is analyzed, Dispute AI generates custom disputes based on the actual data, not templates. You can export disputes, track accounts, and keep everything documented in case you ever need proof. This isn't a magic button. It's a compliance-first system designed to reduce frivolous disputes and increase accuracy. That's why it works better for DIY users, professionals, and people rebuilding seriously. Dispute AI is for people fixing their own credit professionals, and anyone tired of paying monthly for outdated credit repair services. If you want smarter credit repair powered by AI, check out DisputeAI.xyz. Build smarter. Dispute smarter. Stay documented. Credit repair isn't broken. The tools were